So please forgive me for using Reddit, but I need to use it to get some video ideas, topics to talk about. I stumbled upon this very interesting post, which I wanted to make a video about because I have a few thoughts and I also have something else that I want to share, which you might find really helpful actually. And the post there is, what's up with game development YouTubers never shipping games? I just see a lot of people talking about this. I thought I might as well share my view because, as you probably know, I'm a game developer YouTuber myself and I want to share my thoughts, and I also want to share something else that I found interesting. I also like who you should actually get advice from. Can you even trust me? That's a good question. No, you can't. Stop watching me. So this guy, he's very upset, maybe even jealous. Personally, I think it's disrespectful as fuck to farm hype and never ship anything, and it happens too often. I agree with this. I'm not upset or like jealous or something, but which this guy probably is, but I totally agree, like in a different sense. I don't agree with like, oh, it's disrespectful as fuck. I don't fucking care. But I agree that you should be more cautious about who you get advice from. We'll talk about that later. One YouTuber in particular I want to talk about. So he basically talks about, I made a horror game in 24 hours, parentheses scary. They garner millions of views. And I read this and I was like, millions of views? What do you mean? 2.8 million, 2.3, 1.2, 8 million, 200k, 1 million, 1.7, 3.2, 700, 1 billion. Views are just abundant for everyone in this niche or this topic, whatever. This is only horror games. This is just horror games, and it's like the same video, right? They get tons of views. So I get why he's kind of jealous, because obviously if this guy, for example, the 8 million one, and he has multiple of these as well, if he has like a 3.5 RPM, he made like over 20k on this video alone, $20,000. Right, so I get why he's kind of jealous, because if you made 20k in the game, yeah, it's kind of successful in the game, right? Especially if you are a beginner. And also this video is 13 minutes long. It's much easier to make this than a Steam game. And that's also what people are saying here. What do you think is easier, making one video or a successful game over the course of multiple years? And I kind of think this is stupid, because if you make a game over the course of multiple years and you're a solo developer, then you're just dumb. I'm going to be honest with you. You should make a huge game. You work 5 fucking years on a game and then you release it on Steam and then nobody cares, right? Like, I'm not even sure why this is a thing. Why indie developers think that they can just spend multiple years on one single game, just put all their like chips on one number. Like, that doesn't make any sense. Just make one small game, make it weird, make it have a twist, like Iron Lung, for example. It's a really good example. It was made in a few weeks, literally a few weeks. And it does sold like millions of dollars in sales. More than 99.9% of these solo games that has literally been worked on for years. So if you're thinking, okay, I'm going to learn the basics, then I'm going to finish my dream game, and then I'm going to release it and I'm going to be rich. No, make small games instead, max 3 months. Make 4 games in a year, for example. Or if you have a little bit less time, then obviously you can make like 2 games a year, for example, but not spend multiple years on a game. And it says here, it's probably bad for the business to release games. Their business is making money from getting views, then making a game or being an expert in game development. If their game sucks and bombs, no one is going to watch the videos because they're no longer interested as an expert. And I totally get that. And this guy, he suddenly talks about courses, like put out courses because put out a game and it bombs. This post was specifically about entertainment, and this guy just started talking about courses. 2 completely different things. Because as this guy said, teaching is its own skill. Like, when he talked about courses, that's something completely different, right? When we're starting to talk about teaching, it's very important to differentiate who actually knows the practical advice, who has actually done this, and the people that just know the theory. Because I wouldn't listen to Brackeys on how to make a successful Steam game. He has never done it. He's only published like a small game jam game. That's it. But just because he has made a successful Steam game doesn't mean I can watch a video on Brackeys on lighting or reflection pros, whatever it might be. I can still watch Brackeys videos on these specific things because, okay, he shows me, he knows what he talks about with these specific niche things, but I wouldn't learn how to make a successful Steam game from Brackeys because he has never done it. The same with me. If I never released a game and I teach you how to make and release games fast, then you shouldn't listen to me because I've never done it. But I've done it 3 times. I've released 3 games. The last one Latest one is made in under 30 days, and it was published to App Store and Google Play. You can literally download the game right now on your phone. Like, I'm not a fraud. You can download my game right now. Search Orbit of Chaos, Google Play App Store. You can download my game right now, and that's the only thing that I promise inside of Smartini. I'm not going to like CTR or anything, but the guarantee in the course is that you're going to ship an escape tutorial HAL and ship your first game in 60 days. That's guaranteed. I've done it. I can teach it. Okay, I'm credible in that. But if I suddenly started talking about, oh, get 1,000 wish lists on Steam, if that was a promise I made, don't fucking listen to me when I said that. Okay, I'm learning to release on Steam right now. I'm working on a Steam game. That doesn't mean I'm an expert. That doesn't mean I can like promise you to do so, because I've never done it myself. I can make a video on like, oh, these are the things that I learned while researching how to get wish lists on Steam. I can do that, for example, but I can't be an expert and promise you that you're going to fucking get 1,000 wish lists when I haven't done it myself. And in game development, for some reason, this is a big topic, because a lot of people, they are just so tolerant to getting advice from people that haven't even done what they're preaching. Like, not to start anything here, but just to take Lewis, for example. I'm not trying to like put beef on Lewis, just start anything here. I'm just using Lewis as an example because I think it's very bad what he does. We can go onto this page, for example. You can see it's just 3 prototypes. Just 3 prototypes. This is his game. Okay? It's a small prototype. It doesn't even have a font in his menu. Like, it's literally the Unity default font. And his most viewed video, the ultimate game dev system, make and publish games fast. He's never released one single game. No one. These are 3 prototypes. These are prototypes. I can literally play this game. It's just a small prototype. You see? He literally has the Unity default font here, and the text here is like cropped out. You can't even see the text. And his most viewed video, 50k views 6 months ago, is how to make and publish games fast. And he hasn't done that in like 2 years. Right? So, and it's not just that. He's selling a course, okay? Most games never finish a game. Neither have you. These are prototypes. These are not games, it's prototypes. And now you might sit there and say, well, it's prototype in a game, what's the difference? It's a huge difference. Actually finishing a game, you can make a prototype with ChatGPT, okay. Finishing a game, that's completely different. Actually making a game fun, there's all these different like unsexy systems that you need to do. You need to make the settings, you need to make the UI, you need to make like the input, publish the game to the app stores. There's so many like unsexy things that you need to do. When you just make a prototype, okay, you made a mechanic and then you made the Unity default font menu, you made a play and exit button or whatever, play restart. Okay, that's not a game, that's a prototype. And this guy is literally teaching you how to make and publish games fast as well. He hasn't done it in 2 years. He started over 2 years ago. And he even sells a course. Like, you pay him $29 a month to teach you how to finish a game, and he's never done it before. I literally asked him. And this is literally what he sent me when I asked what game he has released. It was just this itch page with literally 3 prototypes. And also, just to finish it up, like, his videos are just ChatGPT. I put his transcript into a ChatGPT like generated, AI generated. It's literally an AI generated scripts. It's 4 minutes of just AI. So in game development, we are too tolerant about who we get advice from. You should not get advice from someone that hasn't achieved the thing that you're talking about, because if they only know the theory, okay, they can have good theory points, but why are you watching a video from someone that doesn't even know more than ChatGPT? Because they've never done it themselves. They don't have any experience with it. So you can just ask ChatGPT and you can get the answer like 10, 20 times faster. They can give you in 5 seconds instead of 5 minutes. So not only is this stupid because the guy might give you bad advice, ChatGPT is really good now. So ChatGPT is probably going to give you better advice than all these people that give you advice and haven't done it themselves. So I totally agree with this point. In game development, people are so tolerant from who they get advice from. They are so tolerant of people not achieving anything and then still listening to them. And I think that's a horrible thing. It's a horrible thing to listen to and like give money and give fame to all of these people that haven't actually achieved what you're preaching. They just make AI scripts, AI videos. So please remember this thing every time you open YouTube and you want to watch game development content. Please remember this sentence. Don't take advice from people that haven't achieved the result that you want. I can teach you how to finish your first game. It's not awesome game. That's not what I'm promising. I can teach you how to make your first game in 30 days because I've done it. I can teach you that because I've done it multiple times. I've even published it to App Store, Google Play, and now I'm releasing to Steam. But if you're taking advice on how to make games fast and publish them from someone that hasn't done it, for example, don't listen to it. Ask ChatGPT instead. Watch some other YouTuber that has done it. I have some, I think, Tim Ruswick. I think his videos are awesome and he has a ton of credibility as well. And also Thomas Bush. I haven't seen his videos, but it seems like he's legit. And I also know he has released to like Steam and Nintendo Switch. And his videos just seem chill. He also seems like a nice guy. So that's just quick recommendation for me. I don't watch gamedev YouTubers that much, but so yeah, that was my thoughts for this video. Hope this helped you.